Here is the hose. This is the 100-foot version. It comes with this nice nozzle here, which at the end of the review, if you guys stick around, I'm going to show you guys all the different ways that it sprays out, so you guys can check that out. I really liked this model specifically because it does come with this holder tray here, so I can easily take this off and bring it to the front of the house instead of having to buy two different hoses. The quality here I think is pretty good. I don't think it's really going to get nicked on anything, you know, sliding through the rocks or anything like that. And it's nice because it's nice and bendy here, so it's not going to clip up like this and not let any water through, which is pretty awesome. It's annoying when you're trying to get work done and it gets squeezed and you can't get any water out, and you have to move the hose around and get it the water moving through. So that is super nice. So it's a nice little kit here. These seems like pretty good quality. Things attached to it has an on-off here, and it seems like it's a really good quality, so I think it's worth the price. It's a great product. It comes with a nice little kit. You know, now I don't have to buy anything that rolls this up, because I was going to get something that rolls so I could take it to the front. So it's nice that it comes with this. It's a nice little package, and it's been working out great for me.